Guys, hi, it's Kid Elliott here. Now, these are list attraction secrets. These are my jealousy guarded traffic, list building, and sales converting methods to help you to get more signups into your business. It's all about your bottom line. You care about profit. These are the tips and strategies that you could do right now. Let's jump into 5 weird lead page hacks that have increased my conversion rate by up to 307%. You're absolutely gonna love this video. So let's get it started. Now, over the last 10 years, I've gone from being a complete newbie to a highly respected internet marketer, author, and CEO of a rapidly growing click agency. And during this last decade, I've tested, reviewed, and built and driven traffic to well over 30,000 lead capture pages, websites, and sales funnels. And what I've discovered is that just one tweak on a web page can make a phenomenal difference in how it converts. In fact, one small change, one hack, can turn a loser into a long-term profit-producing winner. I've personally experienced this numerous times, including an experience where one little tweak to my own sales page netted me over $77,000 in a single weekend. I've watched as internet marketing has morphed into a science, and I'd like to pass on to you some simple yet powerful tweaks that you can implement right now for your incredible increases in your opt-in rate. Hack number 1 is add yes and free to your buttons. Add the word yes and free to your call to action buttons. Just by adding the word yes at the beginning of the text on your buttons, I increased my opt-in rate by 123%. I increased opt-in rates by another 160% by adding the word free. Now, let's talk about background images. When I first started doing this 10 years ago, the beaches, islands, vacation backgrounds increased opt-ins. So you may have seen those everywhere and copied them for your own use. But beware, this is not true anymore. Today, everything has to be professionally looking with personality. For example, if you're promoting a home business, you may be tempted to use what people want. The freedom represented by the beach. However, today, everyone in that industry is using a beach scene. To stand apart and be considered more professional, less fly-by-night, a business scene will actually work better. This one increased my opt-ins by 300% compared to a beach scene. When choosing a background photo, look for something that is more professional than the competition. High-quality graphics give you credibility. Now, should you include a photo of yourself? Absolutely. People like to buy from other people, and if you delete yourself from your marketing and try to emulate the corporate look of a multi-billion-dollar company, you're going to lose leads and sales. Instead, you should put more of you in your marketing. Now, if you include your photo in your marketing, make sure it's not a stiff corporate looking shot. My webcam photo of me with an American Fighter t-shirt brings in 30% more opt-ins than a professional photo that I paid $700 to a professional photographer to take. Now, hack number 4, let's talk about 10 proven lead capture page headline templates. Years ago, longer, wordier lead capture pages were all the rage. Today, shorter, punchier, and capture pages, they convert many times better than longer ones. And these are simple but proven fill-in-the-blank templates I use, and you can borrow them to create your own powerful lead capture page headlines. Number 1, learn the 10 best kept secrets. Now, depending on your market, what is it that the problems that you're trying to solve for your market? Okay, all you have to do is fill in the blank and solve that problem. Learn the 10 best kept secrets to generating a massive number of leads to your opt-in page. Number 2, who else wants to close more sales? Who else wants to create an automatic system for their leads and signups? Who else wants to work from home and make a massive amount of money? Number 3, 7 reasons why blank. 7 reasons why you absolutely must use a system an online system to capture and convert your leads into signups. 7 reasons why you must use a follow-up system to follow up with your leads. Number 4, download my free report to help you blank. Download my free report to help you close more people, to get more leads, to make more money. Number 5, my free system brings in $3 for every dollar blank. Now this is one of my favorite ones because people want to know about ROI, return of investment. And if this system is starting to bring in more money than you're spending, you better believe it's going to convert better. This is actually the best headline that you can use right now if it's true. Number 6, sick of cold calling? Blank. Sick of cold calling? Use my free automated system instead. Number 7, make money or we'll pay you blank. This is my second favorite one. Make money with our program or we'll pay you $500, guaranteed. Number 8, here's my quick way to blank. Here's my quick way to build lead pages. Here's my quick way to get traffic. Here's my quick way to get 100 clicks to my site. Number 9, why you should always or never works too. Why you should never call a prospect on the phone. Why you should always be using an autoresponder. Number 10, 10 surefire ways to blank. 10 surefire ways to get traffic. 10 surefire ways to close more sales. See, these are 10 proven lead capture page headlines, templates designed that you could easily borrow right now. If your landing page or sales page has any full color backgrounds, then what color works best? Blue, red, green, yellow? The answer is blue. Dark blue or light blue. Without a doubt, 100% light blue increases the trust factor and your opt-in rate by over 150%. Okay? As you can see, these 5 I've been using in the presentation, yes and free, your pro background, your pick, headline, and the light blue colors. These are the 5 hacks that you can immediately apply to your landing pages right now to increase your opt-in rate, which will increase your conversions. Okay? Bonus hack, model success. One of the first and biggest lessons that when running my own online business is that you don't get any extra points for making money through trial and error. The bank teller doesn't ask you how hard you work to make the money you're depositing. Once I learned that lesson, I immediately started to keep my eyes open to what other successful marketers were doing. And the lessons I learned watching others make millions online was more valuable to me than any courses I paid many thousands of dollars for. And that's one of the reasons why I use and highly recommend lead pages. When other internet marketers use the lead capture pages in their database, the system tracks their conversion rates. Then, when you're browsing the available templates, all you have to do is sort the lead pages by conversion rate. So basically, you're letting their thousands of clients test their lead pages, and you get to see which ones work the absolute best. Then with a few clicks of your mouse, the highest converting pages can be edited for your specific offer. And you're ready to start getting traffic to your new page. Additionally, internet marketers also create their own custom lead pages and upload them into the system for their own use. However, in order to do this, they have to agree to let other members use them. So not only do Leadpage members get to use all of the templates crafted by the company itself, they also get access to powerful new high converting lead pages created by 7-figure and 8-figure internet marketers. If you don't already have a lead capture page system that works as well as lead pages, or if you're paying a designer to do this for you, I highly recommend you save yourself some serious time and money and check out Leadpages. It saved me hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars hiring others to do this for me. See how their system works and what you get as a new member by visiting leadpagespro.com, or click the button below this video to check out their highest converting templates. Thanks a bunch, and if you have any questions about the 5 hacks or anything we've discussed here, anything you've seen, just reply to any email I've sent you. Thanks a bunch, and I'll see you on the next video.